Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Starting with the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and grateful. Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today, before starting the class, let me tell you something more informative. जब कभी आप सीढ़ियों पर ऊपर चढ़ रहे हों, चाहे वो घर पर हों, ऑफिस में हो, स्कूल में हो, तो सीढ़ियों पर ऊपर चढ़ते हुए कहें अल्लाह अकबर। और जब कभी आप सीढ़ियों से नीचे उतरें तो यू मस्ट से सुबहान अल्लाह। The chapter which we are learning is Resources of Pakistan. It is chapter number 5 in your book, page number 6969. Dear students, before starting the chapter, we do have first question in our mind that what is resource? So let me explain you here. A resource is a source or supply from which benefit is produced. Typically, resources are materials or other assets that are transformed to produce benefit and in the process may be consumed or made unavailable. From a human perspective, a natural resource is anything obtained from the environment to satisfy human needs and wants. There are four major resources in Pakistan: natural resources, mineral resources, forest resources, and energy. We will discuss them in a detail in further more chapter. Secondly, let me explain you what are natural resources, mining and quarrying. World-class resources of lignite, coal deposits at Thar, Sindh, porphyry, copper, gold deposits in Shagai, Balochistan, iron ore deposits at Dilband, Balochistan, lead zinc deposits in Dudar, Balochistan, gypsum, rock salt, limestone, dolomite, china clay, etc. in the Indus basic ornamental and construction stones in the various parts of the country, and about 30 different gems and precious stone deposits in northern Pakistan. Mineral resources of Pakistan: natural gas, petroleum, limestone, copper, gypsum, iron ore, rock salt, marble and granite, coal and chromites. Now in this slide we are going to discuss about the forest resources of Pakistan. Pakistan has 4.1 million hectares covered by forest, which is about 5% of the total land area. 85% of this is a public forest, which includes 40% conifers and scrub forest on the northern hills and mountains. It plays an important role in Pakistan's economy by employing half a million people and fulfill one third of the nation's energy needs. Forest and rangelands support about 30 million herds of livestock. Now, importance of forest in the national economy: raw material for papers, sports, silk, furniture, and tanning industrial; medical herbs and seeds for pharmaceutical industries; recreation facilities for tourism and camping; timber, wood for fire, reduce floods intensity, increase fertilizer of land, provide employment opportunities, causes rains, control soil erosion, fodder for cattle, provide employment opportunities, chemicals such as turpentine, oil, leaves of forest provide natural fertilizers. Forests are great source of recreation, natural beauty and attraction. Energy. Pakistan's economy has been growing at an average rate of 7.6% per annum. At present, Pakistan meets its energy requirement of over 75% from domestic resources. Around 50.4% of its energy needs is met by the indigenous gas, 28.4% by domestic and imported oil, and 12.7% by hydroelectricity. Coal and nuclear contribution to energy use is limited to 7% and 1% respectively. Man energy sources: fossil fuel, coal, natural gas, CNG, hydropower, solar power, thermal energy, nuclear power. These are the main energy sources for Pakistan and for Muslim world. Importance of energy. No industry can run without power energy. All machines require energy to operate them. No agricultural machine can function without it. Tube wells, tractors, trolleys, threshers all require energy, example electricity, diesel or petrol. No transport and communication service such as trucks, cars, railways or aeroplane can operate without energy, petrol, diesel, etc. No domestic appliances such as electric bulbs, television, fridge, juicer and blenders can function without the use of energy and electricity. This is the importance of energy in our daily life. Now we do have recommendations here: installation of automatic shut off of lighting, use of energy efficient materials in buildings, use of glazed glass at building facades, to promote environmental education for creating conditions for the greening of Pakistan and establishing environmental peace, to, to promote a simple lifestyle by the more affluent people in society so that savings can be invested in economic welfare of Pakistan, to campaign through media for betterment and improvement for the economic development of Pakistan, to create new policies for the conservation of natural resources of Pakistan, to develop networking with national and international organizations for development of resources. These are the recommendations. And finally, we are here to conclude our PPT here. Allah has gifted us with all kinds of resources. Our country is rich in natural resources. Natural resources are necessary for national development. Natural resources are very important for the development and prosperity of any country. The important thing is that law of utilize them for the welfare of the human beings and development of the country economically. The population of Pakistan is increasing rapidly. It is a very good sign that the people of Pakistan are working hard sincerely for the development of country and government is also working for the progress and prosperity of Pakistan. We should have to use the national and human resources to the maximum to develop our country so we can achieve an important position in the world. Thank you so much, everybody, for giving me your precious time. I hope the chapter will be clear. See you in the Zoom classroom. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.